So let's go ahead and look at our entryways now, how we can access the inside of our solar gallery. Um, I think it'd be awkward to place a door right here because then you would be walking straight in and there's no transition and the art piece is like in your face. It's kind of nice to kind of have a little bit of anticipation as you're entering, and then you kind of turn the corner around. Let's go to top view here. Let's drop our um, section. So yeah, you enter from here and you have to make a little bit of a turn before you get to see the surprise right there, the sculptural art on the pedestal. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new layer and call it door. Okay, let's give our door some other color so we can see what we're doing. I'm going to go with, how about, let's go with cyan maybe right here. How about aquamarine? Okay. So, I think instead of punching a hole in the wall, I'm going to remove a part of the wall to make the door. So basically, it just basically becomes a surface subtraction in a way that generates the door as opposed to the door looking like a hole in the wall. All right, so and how do I make sure that I got it from this dimension all the way to that dimension? Um, Maybe one of the quickest way to do this is just to draw an actual box from that corner. Yeah, to the inside corner, right there, and let's just take it pretty high. Okay, now let's go ahead and move it out of the way. Extrusion. Let's move it back out of the way, and we know this corner is exactly that corner. I think we know that we have our dimension here. Let's do an analyze distance. Okay, it's a little bit more, but that's okay. It works for us. The next thing we want to do is actually make sure that this guy is a box from there to there. Let's take this up to maybe a 7.0 door. Let's just do maybe 7 feet tall. Okay. Now I think I can change this into some other layer for now. Just for the color's sake, and I'm going to move it to the corner right there. Let's zoom in on that. Okay, so now I can do a Boolean split right there, and then let's see what we get. Let's go to shaded mode real quick. And our door is just going to sit right there. Okay. Boolean split this guy from this extrusion, press enter. Let's go ahead and delete it. And there's our entryway. I think it works quite fine, actually. Let's do a merge. I want to get rid of the memory of this line right here, so I'll just do a merge all faces. And there we go. Perfect. Next thing to do is just to actually get the door layer current. Okay. And I'm just going to do a quick door. I'm going to go right here. And actually, let's go right there. Let's take it up to the top of this guy. Good. And let's move him out a little bit and explore its dimensions. I think if we analyze the distance here, got 9 inches, so I'm just gonna make this a little bit skinnier. Okay, Control Shift, this guy, and say minus 6 inches. There we go. Let's go ahead and measure that now. You know what we're supposed to get. 3 inches. It's a little bit still thick for a door. How about we do another minus 1.5 inches. There we go. Let's move this guy back to where it belongs as a door. Right there. Okay. All right. So there it is. Even the door is slightly inset, and that works kind of nice. Okay, let's go ahead and you would do the same thing on this end, same step, and you'd have an almost complete project right here. So let's zoom in on this, see what we've got. Oh, I have an issue right there. So my door, the way this door sits, I like the way this plane sits out, but the door doesn't work like this. You can't have corner to corner as such. So I'm going to just move this slightly back out to the outside, and this will work fine. You're always going to have some sort of a jam over there. That works. So please duplicate this on that end, and that's what I would do, and I would be happy with my model. Okay, I think this maybe concludes what we're trying to achieve in the class. Think about the analysis things that we discussed in this demonstration. Apply them to your own project. Your design will not look exactly like this. It doesn't have to. But do think about some benches, some countertops, and do analyze how you enter the space and where the pedestal sits in the center of the space or slightly offset. All right, let's just zoom on the object. And this is what your perspective would look like.